Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my video today, I want to introduce you to the set of improvements we are making in OpenBOM items dashboard. And the goal of this improvement is to turn items dashboard in the central place where you can easily navigate to different pieces of information about items and different capabilities of OpenBOM. So first, you can see how easy you can navigate in a different ways. You can navigate in a grid, and you can navigate in the tiles. So those are very easy way, and you can easy search for different pieces of information. So that makes it really easy and really simple to switch between different modes. You can customize what attributes you're going to see for each of them, or you can also navigate through the panel where you can directly make updates for those items. So that is super easy navigation. Now, another thing that you can do is a very easy navigation between different items that associated with the different bill of materials. So you can see here, you can easy filter to all items. So everything is an item. So now I have different items, but I can see items that are assemblies just with a single click. How easy it now in the same screen. Now I can go one step more, and if there is an item which is an assembly and it has no other parents, you can navigate at this top level with a single click. So you can see I easy go from the 43 items to 6 assemblies to 2 top level assemblies. And navigating by this, I can simplify the way I'm going with pieces of information. From this place, I can navigate to the different BOMs. I can share them and I can perform different actions. But this simplicity of navigation, if for example it had multiple BOMs, I can open it from here. We will address it in a separate video. If you have engineering BOM, manufacturing BOM, maintenance BOM, you will be able to navigate it. And the icing on the cake in the navigation, if I have many items and I want to know if I have a duplicated part numbers that by mistake were introduced, the new tool says just find all duplicated items. I think it's beautiful. I think it gives you a very easy way to navigate through the different pieces of information. And it allows you to find where the part is used. If you're getting to the particular item, you can find where it's used. And if this is a BOM with the assembly, it allows you a very easy way to navigate and get to the sub-levels and get to different other parts and assemblies in a very easy way. So I hope you like it. It will be available very soon in the next release. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon.